Welcome in to another woolly review. Deramores Essentials DK. The cheapest place I found this was £1.24 on Lovecrafts, I believe. £1.24? I believe so. I think so. I hope so. Anywho, 100 gram balls, 295 meters or 322 yards approximately, 100% acrylic. And they're saying a 4mm hook. So I have my 4mm hook. This is in the colour Wild Honey. It looks much more like peach in real life. On camera it's very yellow. In reality it's very peachy. Peachy! Now this is actually one of the prizes from Woolly Wednesday in August. And by now I think this should be on the way to the recipient. So I've got to be very, very careful with it and only do a half swatch. A lot of stretch. There's a lot of stretch in there. Okay. So as always, starting with a slip knot and get a chain in. And single crochet row. Not bad in the hand, although this is already squeaking. Why is it already squeaking? I don't like squeaky squeaky. Let's see if you can hear it. Turn up your volume. Yeah, squeaky squeaky. Okay, let's chain 2 and do a half double crochet row. As always, we're not here to judge my crochet skills or lack of. We are here literally to pass judgment upon the wool. And of course, if you really want to, you can gaze at my stitch marker collection, which is on Etsy, of course. Linked down below underneath the rest of the details about this yarn. It's really liking to curl. And I've got cramp. Chain 2. And we're going in for the double crochet row. Still squeaking. Still feels like average yarn. I can't say it's overly soft. I can't say it's rough. It doesn't feel cheap, but it certainly doesn't feel high end. It just feels like wool. I know that's not exactly great for a review because, you know, I can't compare it to anything. It just feels like run-of-your-mill yarn. That's it. Nothing special, nothing bad. And there we go. So there it is. Stitch definition isn't too bad. Nice on the skin. I can feel it, but it's certainly not rough. I would wear it. Let's take off the Beany. Wrap it up. As Annie Lennox once sang, wrap it up. I'll take it. But will I? Oh, one more little bit. There you go. And you get tucked under. So Deramores Essentials. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be extremely disappointed if that was the only DK in the shop and I desperately needed a DK? No. Would I have it in my top 10 and be okay with it? Happy to use it? Yes. And that's where I'm leaving it. That is literally where I'm leaving it. It feels like a dead average yarn. It's not anything that I would scream about, run out of the house and go, woo! Or anything else. It's okay. It feels all right. Yes, it's okay on the skin. It's not too rough. It's not too soft. It's just yarn. I think it's ever so slightly too expensive. I think there's better out there for the money. But it's okay. It's in the middle. It's average. So that's what I'm giving it. That's my opinion. Heck, you might have tried it and said, do you know what? I think it's the best thing ever. That's okay, because we're all allowed our own opinions. And this review is mine. So there you go. 3 out of 5 Ladybirds for the Deramores Essentials DK. Let us know down below if you've given it a go. So that other people can have a look at what you think, and hopefully while you're down there you might think about subscribing. It's completely free, woo! And it helps me out a little bit, you know. This is my job. It's my job. Okay, anyway, stop bambling. Hopefully I'll see you next week for another woolly review. Take care. Bye bye.